Go on, man, you must sleep. Sleep, you choose youth. That is it. That is it, my father. One connection. Yeah, one day for London, man, they must sleep. Because, man, them tell me say London, you know. Alright, so forage and option for sure. On the forage. Me give them boy one more minute and forward. Was the option for sure. Forage demand zone here. Sure. So let's break this demand zone here. Might can look for tap into this demand zone here. After that, something else. So your next potential target on the forage. So I want on the 1 hour time frame. And the 1 each now, still bullish. There. That is it, my G. So see our price. So what I'm gonna do here. Still like code price react to this one. Still lovely. Still like code this react now. This is 1H, 1H zone here. So the Forex, I could put 1H demand here. Zero price react to these two demand zones. 15 minutes. What's going on here? Talk to me. Alright, so I stay on the 1H, you know. Definitely I stay on the 1H. For now, there. So we can see a price react from this 1H demand zone. There. Sure. Oh, you said the point long time for them. That is it, man. That is it. Mr. Richards himself. I see what's up, man. That's why I really troop on the stream, you see me? So that's it. Break structure on the frame here. Once, twice. Break the structure here. No. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's see the session. Alright, so the 1H candle close in 5 minutes. So let's see how that candle close before we look upon that. Gold, we also look on gold. Goldie. How is gold doing? Remove 5 joints. Alright, gold. Asian high, New York high, London high. Asian London high from one over this one. So we could go some Rosegxld. Let's see if I keep breaking short to the downside here. And the 1H. Most recent break of structure. Here. Damn, so it's our most recent break of structure. Go to the price. Continue push down here on the 1H. Because when I say so, seems like the price are real call for this. Let's see. Price come back tapped into this supply zone. You start let a push, retrace, break structure. So if you break another structure, you probably can see a price react this week because the supply zone. So I want from 15 with it. Alright, my father, respect, say I see it now. I'm going to say I read the comments, but I use my phone to read the comments. So I'm going to reply from the what's in top. Nice. So let's extend this here. Adjust this for this deviation height. Damn. This is a tricky one, you know. This is a tricky one. This is right on Asian high. Here. Put it if you can sweep here. Put it in. 15 minutes. Supply zone. And yeah. So now we should just watch out price right there. And GG. Just watch out price right here. Dime. Two minutes. We can get the 1 hour candle to close outside the demand zone here. That will be good. So when the new 1 hour candle form, it come down, create a bottom wick, then you definitely take a buy upon this when it come back up, flip bullish on the lower time frame. But if this say push to around here, just saying like this here, and if the new candle come out to create a bottom wick, it probably be a small retracement from the 15 or 5 minute, which will probably come tap back into a order demand zone. When I enter in the candle break this high here. This candle break that high here. So that will be a beautiful GG boys here on the 15 though. So that I want to see. Let's see. Let's see. We're in no rush, guys. No rush. That became playing the music on YouTube, bro. I'm gonna get banana. Restricted. Look at it. See that play out. See how this goal play out, but for now. So there are 45 seconds left for the cam close. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, forward. Looks at me about that. Doesn't it? So you know what thing go? We shell down some water and bun and cheese. Yeah. Now the thing come down. No follow me now because I can't put on weight, you understand? Nobody go eat this hours a night, brother. Slow down on the brain. Mm-hmm. 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 GJ, come on, man. What are you doing to me? GJ. So still have what you have, man. Mm-hmm. So now we just wait, we just make price play out, do you think? And see if the price can give a clear directional bias. Because we not chase the trade, we make the trade come to us. Mm-hmm. The hardest part of trading have to wait. Yeah. So we're in no rush. Alright, beautiful. Now, as you can see, London session just open. If you notice, my London session indicator now it just open at 2 o'clock now. So we just open the London session. So we could see if we can get some volume in the market now. We could see if we can get some volume and come check out what those highs. See if we can get a 15-minute tap, another 15-minute supply zone there. And see if we can take price lower. What was it over GJ? Let's see. GJ is the one you tried. Let me see something. I think they're turning on for kids. But I'm not get more people over here on the live call. Can't you understand where I'm going? I'm sure if that arm but look like me can fix it now quite done already. We could just see what price react and yeah, we're chilling. 15-minute goal. See if price can come take out higher. Then probably come sweep but Asian lows. Yeah. So if a minor imbalance here, come fill. That's really beautiful. The only concern with the zone here sit right on the top of Asian highs. Hit at them through them. So we'd have to see it give me a nasty reaction to the zone. If price should come up here, if price do come here, I need to see some sort of reaction. Something like price come test the zone and then we get some form of rejection from here. And this will be something good. Like that, something like that. Show me the price. I respect this zone here and I want to take price lower. I have to see a rejection. If I get a nasty rejection like this, I have to see a nice bearish closure at this zone here. It have to convince me from the zone here because I say that sit on Asian highs. We know where it's above highs and lows are liquidity, so we gotta be more mindful with that. So let's see. Let's see. That is it. Actually, couldn't drink the juice because the bun already sweet. So you don't really want to have too much sweet. You understand? So I have to drink some water. So I had some water. Oh, check if we have news. Is there news today? Forex factory. Nah, there's no news. No GBP news, no USD news. We have news tomorrow. GBP CPI tomorrow 1 o'clock. Thursday is a very busy day in the States. A lot of news. Oh, back up my light and go back incognito. Calico mentioned, but so going over TikTok. See if nobody asleep and them thing over this. Send them over YouTube. So let me set up this. See if we can shut up quick live over TikTok. Then send them over YouTube, you see? Super asleep. So we don't sleep because the money doesn't sleep, so we're up. Don't think what's that consolidate. Beautiful. Let's see if we want to upgrade this size. I'm tapped into this supply zone over here. Up, bro. Monday, Friday, I run from over here, so still come live on YouTube, isn't it? Just did I pass through over here, so just to see what with about live on YouTube still, isn't it? So we're active over there, so I try to be consistent on the YouTube page, so I skip about on YouTube and up top V10. There you go. I'm not sure about this now. Yeah, but me have a comments, like I'm using my phone to read the comments now. I can't stream, you see me? Never really, I'm so I go on the comment section over here too. Now me dey back over here so. So just there look how I go on. A V10 Bonnet Wall Road. Mm-hmm. But just there I go on the right thing as usual, man. No joke. There's a man then chicken out every man. My Discord I tell me say, yo, London session. No drain, nobody, everybody asleep. I mean say I joke about this, bro. Everybody asleep. Bro, what the fuck's brother? Is it me? Fox, bro. Fox, bro. It's just Fox. Price break the zone, we can delete the demand zone. Oh, you're there, you're there. Alright, my father. Sorry, my bad, sir. My bad, sir. My bad. My bad, sir. Let me say my bad, my father, man. I say, there, energy. I was wondering, that you know you love sleep, brother. Is it, man? You know, so you love sleep, God. That is it, my father, man. So if GJ break that zone, I will definitely have to close it, close out the zone and then see how it, which mean I think it will react back from this 4H cut react from it already. But if we continuously break structure to the downside, we can't be naive. We have to just start look for some supply and look for some sell, but I'm afraid to sell the market because the overall time frame bullish, man. It's very bullish. If you turn up the sensitivity for my mouse, yeah, definitely. It's a daily time frame and hmm, hmm. But the daily I do. But the daily really I do. The daily flip back bearish already. The daily flip bearish here. So there's a high probability say daily might come tap into the daily demand zone. That's a possibility. You're ready for true, man. You're ready for true. I can't grow like my father. Please, I show up to the airport this time, you know? You know, left your passport or your luggage or nothing. Yeah, this because the daily time frame, I say, no. Yeah. But anyways. But anyways. Start this back on. That is it. GG now, very tricky spot, you know. GG is in a very tricky spot, boy. Yeah, boy. Now trouble at it still. Make it do it one do. Mm-hmm. See if we will push up to the zone there. Put up on the 15 and the one, I think on the 15. Yes, it is the 15-minute time frame. So I could go and watch gold. Gold probably give you a clean setup, you know. Go and look at gold at the for the time being. some nice push to the upside. London session open volume pushing. This one candle push how much pip already? This one candle push over 70 pip. At this point, we're just sitting on our hands. Damn. Look at those. Volume. GJ go and do your thing. Just have to watch. See what that like a strike. Who that? Who grew then granny? Who grew then granny? You must have sit down by your hand. Yeah, brother, careful. Much clock a strike. Oh, that's how we grew up on them the talking them man. Them the slang there where everybody grew up on. It's me that a lot. When they are school teachers say, we see what a clock a strike and them rubbish like. So for me get interested back in a GJ, UT the 4H supplier demand you use already and it actually break the 15-minute and the 1 hour demand zone. I will see it come take up at the high there. So now we have to come take up by the higher. Me, we consider if you see me and look at buy. We take up by the higher. Take up by the higher, leave some form of demand zone, come tap back in it, then see if we can get a price push to the upside. But for now, we're not doing nothing. We'll leave this right there. So. Right, is gold sales still in there? Mm-hmm. Like the gold sales they would there's a watch for going still. You see, a great granny used to say that, John, no, I don't, I don't know my great granny, brother. I don't know my great granny. The last one, you know, drop out when me young, so I don't really remember like that either. Mm-hmm. It's a great granny. John, time. We can just play some song on this and just know so them go strike it and no care. My brother YouTuber still you know some really want to get no strike on it. Sometimes play stuff can't take them boringness there, bro. Look what going the tactic. You remember that block your whole of them page up on TikTok. Every creator from Jamaica. I'm gonna try block every single page when I see I do screen recording. I don't know what's a brother. I be a fish. They on screen recording in a box I play friggin' game and them sitting there. As I see them I block them page, none of them that pop up on my for your page. I know over here some father somewhere else. But I'm here. So. Frequency. Are you ready to go? Go! I'm sure someone refined that properly. Which zone or which pair? This a goal and this a GJ. So which one of them you talk about? Which one is zone? Alright, so this a goal. So this one here. Alright, so gold being bearish, right? So our farm structure, right? So we have a recent breaker structure here. Let's mark up the recent breaker structure here. So now you understand that this high create this low. So that your swing points. So this high here and this low here. So these are your swing structures, right? So here, because they're in a downtrend here, if price should respect this high, there's a high probability the price will come take out this low and continue the downtrend, which will create another lower low. So this might just be the pullback in the lower high. You understand? As long as we stay below this high. Isn't it? That supply zone was a lower time frame, but we're not actively taking a trade from it. We just mark it out to see how price react to it. You understand? So upon seeing that, we know so this are a swing high, this are a swing lower. If price break above this high, we have a shift in market structure. So we are now look for that buys to take price higher to come retest this high here. You see me? So we don't move to the 1 hour time frame now. So after we are on the 1 hour time frame, we have a minor breaker structure here. You see me? So because we have a minor breaker structure here, we are analyze if you have a minor breaker structure, it might just be a breaker structure for continue the overall downtrend come retest these lows. Feel me? Assuming about this. Still, as I said, we don't take trade impulsively from this zone. We have a lot of confirmation we look for. You understand? To avoid being faked out or big liquidity. So if we scoop down to the 50-minute time frame, if we break it down lower, you can see we break a major swing low here on the 50-minute time frame, leaving us with this valid supply zone here. So upon seeing that now, we say, okay, then let's see how price react to it. You understand? So we just mark it out to see how price react to it. You understand? And see if this zone can give a possible sell opportunity to come retest but the lows. But you just mark it out to see how price react to it. Knowing that the overall bearish on the higher time frame, so it would have make more sense only looking for sells until this high up here is broken. You understand? Until then, we have to look for sell setup. You have to see a good rejection because why this zone as Jay would I know we don't really like take trade from this zone because this high here is actually a previous session high. And if we know areas below and above highs are actually liquidity. You understand? So it have to give me a good enough rejection and probably a bearish closure before me enter the trade. You understand? Because it really and truly more tricky when the zone them rests at a previous session highs. As I can say, this is Asian high. So you have to be more skeptical when taking these type of setup. Because you might enter here and you might just be liquidity. You understand? Price come stop you out and sweep the highs here. Then come eventually start melt. So if we get a nice now price tapped it, we need to see price start reject from it. You understand? If not, price I got just push and come break the zone and sweep liquidity. But on a regular, yeah, definitely, as you ask, you always want to see rejection in your zones. So that indicates the zone they are hold. So now, remember you have impulsive selling, right? So you did have sellers tapped in a mine here, sellers tapped in the market here, and push price down aggressively. So when price come back here, now remember price will come up impulsively to this zone here. So if we start come up to this zone and see price start reject this zone, it just shows that your sellers probably come back in the morning to take back price at a fair value for sell to come back down for retake out these lows. So now you have Asian lows or previous session lows over here for come take out also. So you just have to wait to see how price play out, you understand? Alright, so if price should reach it, right? As this, so now perfect world price reach it, right? So if price should say push off here, right? You don't need to chase the trade, I understand. You have to do so if remember you already have a directional bias, should that be a sell, right? So if price push off impulsively, you don't need to chase the trade. You understand? Okay, I understand the price now go forever just go in one direction, you must get a pullback. You just have to just analyze over a chart again and wait for the pullback. You see me? You just have to wait for the pullback. If you're not getting a pullback, then that's fine. You see me? You just know say it's a missed opportunity. Because on an everyday price, I gotta respect your setup. You understand? You know, I gotta respect your setup all the while and it makes sense. You chase the trade. You understand? So if price should push off left you, at least you know say your supply is on hold, the directional bias correct. So all you have to do is wait for price to pull back. You understand? Then give some form of indication say it ready to make an next impulsive push. Then I can scale in back. Or we never fear for miss trade because a part of the game, price not always respect your setup. So like for example, you get a nice push here, right? And you get a nice rejection here. Always take this into consideration. Just look to your right and see how much time left for your next candle farm. So like this, you almost have 10 minutes left. You just wait for the next 15-minute candle. You understand? If price push off left you, then you just wait. Same way. But it don't make no sense. Because you need candle for close to get more confirmation. You see me? Because you might enter here, price need to break the low of this candle, right? Then it push down. But because they never wait for the candle for close, the candle flip back bullish and start come back up. But then if this candle now should push down and start break this candle low and close bearish, you understand? Then it would have been a valid setup to take price to come sweep these lows. So you have to just wait for the candle for close. But sometimes jump into a sugar proper confirmation synthesis interest price to come down. Well, I'm not trade synthetic still, isn't it? And Forex not really that fast. You have other peers out there slow, isn't it? You have other peers where really and truly move. Like AU, them EU. If the EU move fast sometimes on AU, but them are more slower peers than Gold and GJ. You understand? I like the reaction here, but if this candle it close bearish, then I could have said, alright, then at the break of this candle low, I could have enter a sell. But because it closed bullish, I just have to wait for a bearish closure. I always remember say when the candle close, it give more confirmation which direction it want go. Remember you don't have your supplies one mark out already. You get a nice rejection. So if you get a nice closure, a nice engulfing now, you understand? That shows the price one go down. So it's more valid. But if this candle here they just close bearish, so we get a rejection and a bearish closure, then we enter on the break of this candle here. But if not, you have to just make price do it one do and wait. Oh, going over GJ. Get a push from this 4H zone, but still need to come take out this high before me will consider of doing anything. This, so if price can push, come take out this high here. That would be beautiful. Something like that. So we get a push like that over here. You have to just patient, bro, isn't it? You have to just patient. That used to happen to me a lot, bro. You used to just force some trades. Even when I see me set up, I still I enter. I'm learning that the hard way. You understand? So sometimes you have to just wait. The hardest part of trading, you have to wait. You see me? Sometimes you will wait how long because they just want to enter a trade. They enter a trade, they just enter a trade. You know, stick to your rules and everything there. So if this can give me a push above this, that's all good. So the 5 minutes. This would probably be a 5 minute trade because this would have very subtle demand zone. Not like how the candle too big. You have to refine it down to 5 minutes. And then take the last candle after the break or so here on the 5 minutes. So GJ give me a setup, and probably take the trade on the 5 minutes. If it break this high, leave me a demand zone and come back to it, make confirmation, then I probably take the buys on that. But for now, that not ready yet, isn't it? Be a water another rice, they have to make your rice dry out. Isn't it? You can't enter too early on that not ready yet, that's still a farm up. Isn't it? So this is why it's important to wait when the candle for close. Have to wait when the candle for close. Once your rejection, you send us enter a sell now, you're in a drawdown. God bless you, probably get all triggered in waiting. So they're in a drawdown. So wait when the candle for close in your direction. You enter a sell now and the candle close bullish. You can almost say you're cooked because you know when price start close against you. See me? So it pay for it, man. We better go. Money not sleep, you know, so we not sleep, you see me? Bills have to pay. So we can't really go out of bed, you see me? Money have to make. So we have literally 6 minutes left for the candle close. Let's wait. Consumption. So you never get stop loss enough breathing space, so press come on top of stop loss. You have to get more. I don't have to get stop loss breathing space, isn't it? Always.
Sunday, go and sleep for God work. Here come the way wake up, then I was up. And I work then. I'm sleep for God work. It's the perfect example why you have to wait on the candle for close. I see it was just a bearish candle and price was flip back bullish. So I always have to wait on the candle for close. Always wait on the candle to close. Always wait. Yeah, my sister that she same one. Tomorrow why on a Sunday? Tomorrow supposed to sleep on the live, man. I go and watch where I go on. Is it man? So 4 minutes to go. So you see? I have to just wait for the candle for close. If it closed below the previous candle, then that is a good sign. So I could go and watch gold. Gold probably give you a setup before anything else. So I go bro man, you see man. Just remember say market I got present enough opportunity. Never even feel no way when I miss a trade, you see me? At least I preserve the capital. You see me, I have to just patient. The market I got always give opportunity. Always. You might go 2 3 days without a trade, but me tell you, as long as you're patient, you'll get a trade set up rough. Alright, go. You want I don't want you melt too much no more. You stay right there so for the next 2 minutes and just close. I don't want you melt too much. Just wall up, please. See me? Just wall up. Nobody melt too much, brother. I don't want it here. Just wait. Wait, pal. Wait and not Goldie. Don't melt too much, man. Let me say, pull up, yeah, come on, go down that now. Don't that. So price start break this previous low here. I enter a sell on gold. So if price break this low here of the previous candle, I enter a sell and target this low here, previous session low. I think we just create a top wick on the 15-minute candle, come up down and create a lower wick. If not, you just gotta see what happens.
Yeah, that I target, yes. You know my style already. Asian lows I target, yes. Price of break that low and forget that trigger in. I'm gonna give this like 1 pip space. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it about 1 pip space or so. And then I can yeah. There are 7 minutes for the 30 minutes. Alright, so yeah. I wait for the next candle to. I wait for the next candle to. I wait for the next candle. Even if you break this low, I wait for the next candle. So I have 7 minutes left for 30-minute candle close, which should give you a higher time frame confirmation for 15 minutes. At the 30-minute candle close bearish, then we can say, yeah, right, we definitely come to put this low. We need the 30 minutes to come to just create a top wick and start break the previous candle low. Same concept. We just have bring it up one time frame. You understand? So I'll wait on the 30 minutes. So I'll stay on the 30-minute time frame here. I'll check your ratio. We have 6 minutes left for the 15-minute candle close. If we enter here, there's a high probability saying the candle can come back and close bullish. So better we just wait. Okay. So just wait on the 30-minute candle for close. So I'm gonna switch to the 30-minute time frame here, and this line here, what I have here, was a 30-minute supply zone. This candle here and this candle here, if you notice. But there's never one drop back. So we basically come reject the 30-minute candle and forget a bearish close upon the 30-minute time frame. We have a supply zone here. Bam, bam. Rejection. Then we get a bearish close upon the 30-minute time frame. The new 30-minute candle must create a top wick. If it even open with no top wick and start with the lows, we not enter. We need a top wick on the 30-minute time frame. Because if it open and just start break the lows, there's a high probability the price will come back and create that top wick. And you know what, in that trade, we need to create a top wick. You see me? So we just wait. Make it open, push up and create a top wick. Soon as it start break it so low the previous candle low we enter. And we should get some volume chip in to help push price down. You understand? So let's just be patient, guys. No rush to give away your money. That's all I'm saying, yeah. If this candle flip back bullish within the 5-minute and 30-minute candle close bullish, and tell us it will disrespect this zone, and we will be cooked, deep fried. You see me?
So 5 minutes left, I could just wait on the 5-minute candle, bruv. I could just wait on the 5-minute candle. Trust me. Trust me, I experienced this too much time for go and get cooked like this. Basically 4 minutes left, where I just wait. We're waiting. Crazy, crazy, everybody running. Crazy, crazy, let's go, yay. Crazy, crazy. Even if this candle should break and start melt, if I miss the trade, that's so. But we just have to take the more sensible setup, isn't it? Have to take the more sensible setup. Right, just sit down and say, boom, boy, look how we lose out on the trade, but I'm alright with that, can save my money same way and tons more opportunity to present itself in the market. You understand? The world never ends when price left way. We can wake up a morning, we have session and catch a bang, and so we just have to take the higher probability setup then. So, 3 minutes to go. Go away, power man. Go on my friend in them. I talked to her last night and say, yo, you need to start giving me some proper setup, isn't it? If not, me, I'll go with the bunny. So you have to give me proper setup. She said, alright, then she'll do the right thing, isn't it? So, hope she's a woman of her word, isn't it? Mm-hmm. No, I could have set up a look still. I set up a look kind of nice. I kind of like it in real life. 2 minutes to go. That's the next thing I'm going to tell you. Never you enter a trade with 1 or 2 minutes before it can go close. Just wait. Just wait. 1 or 2 minutes we can go close. 3 minutes. You don't say anything above 5 or below 5. Anything below 5. 5 and below, wait when the candle for close. 1 candle close, I can save you a lot of money. I tell you that. Look at that. Look at that rejection. Bro, I do this too long, father. I know them things, the father. Man, tell you, brother. Good, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, I do this too long, bro. Bro, I do this too long, bro. Could you? Exactly what I explain from. Exactly. So wait when the candle for close. No, this 30-minute probably close bullish. This trade I go get invalid, bro. May I tell you that? This trade I get invalid. I tell you that straight. You see me? So now you'd have to say if price come and break this previous candle out here. Because if you read into it now and say, yo, we reject this zone here, we create this low, break this low here. If price should come and create a top wick and start break this candle low here, it should have no business coming back up here. You see me? I tell you, bro, look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Bruv. Candle closure is very important, Jay. Man, I tell you, bro. You see me? Very important. And so things like this now, I want to main reason why me that say, yo, people forget a mentor, you see me? Because check your ratio now. Even though in a playbook, it say, yo, rejection can go close and you end up on the breaker low. A man who follow the book by the T, he would have enter. Then he would have lose and said, oh, in strategy no work or this and that. But when you have a mentor, which is why a mentor prevent you from making the mistakes you make. So me can see this now and know that now you end up learning something and say, bombard, 5 minutes if you can go close, make me wait. And just like that you wait, bro, what happen? You save your money. Because he make that mistake a lot of times, bro. You see me? I tell you that. Go look at GG are going. Damn, GJ, you came so close to broke this high. Damn, come on, man. Would I tell for that session? I tell my father, 331. Joke thing, fam. Joke thing, fam. Bloody hell. Drink some water, man. Wait till it come down. Crazy, crazy. Let's go, yeah. Joke too funny, but it is what it is, fam. So gold come invalidate the trade, break your highs. So that stop loss, so that get hit. And man that say, boy, Rosegxld, lose my money. Rosegxld, I get him name now. Boy, Rosegxld. You see me? Mm-hmm. This is why a mentor is important, bro. You see me? It's important. All of them stuff, I never have nobody to teach me that. I have to learn the hard way. You see me? I have to learn the hard way by losing a lot of money. Truth is not like that. Clear everything up for this. GJ been a miss, bro. GJ been a miss. GJ not going to set up at all. Yeah, that too for sure. All that too. That too. If I look on the 30-minute, see there, which is why it's important, bro, for us. Wait, you see me? That's the next thing too. You can't marry to one time frame. You see me? Even though we take the trade on a 15-minute, that is all come could have scale up on the 30-minute and us reanalyze that and tell us watch out XYZ exact thing we talk about play out, you see me? Because if on a 15, Amanda can say it break the low of this and just flip back up. You have to understand say your 2 15-minute candle make a 30-minute candle. You understand? So this right here, the bearish part here right here, and this candle here make up the 30-minute candle. So this is a previous 30-minute candle. You understand? Which is why here. So this was the low of it, this was the high of it, and it come back and close here. And this candle here, you know, don't have a bottom, so there's a high probability to take a flip back bearish and create a lower wick. You understand? But on the 30-minute, it definitely get a bearish closure, but it never break the low of this candle the same way. On the 15-minute now, you look on it right here and say, damn, it break the low of the candle here. So you have to just utilize the time frames. Zoom in. Let's utilize the time frames. Let's go. At this point, we can go better. Not today. At this point, we can go better and come back to New York. Not today. The truth, my father. It makes no sense. Just left price and now make price do it on, but you wake up at New York session, you reanalyze the chart and you probably get a different setup, you see me? You might wake up morning and you take out all of them higher shift structure to your upside, but always remember say we have a higher structure on the 1 hour time frame. We that talk about, you see me? So I always remember that too. So we still have a structure swing here and the structured low. Bro, if I go on the daily time frame now, gold is a consolidate between this zone here. So we still have to remember say this is swing structure point. So if we can get a break of one of them here, price just give you a clear direction of which part it want to go. You see me? Can go up on the daily and always I say price a consolidate, bro. So if we pass 5 days, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? If you pass 5 days, we just move sideways upon gold. If we go down to 4 hours, same thing too. We just redefine this real way. Right here and right here. So if I can see within a downtrend, then we just start consolidate sideways, no clear direction upon gold, same way. So if we can get a break above this 4HI here, we can say, alright, then look like we're back in business. Then look for some form of lower time frame retracement in a demand zone to take price higher. But because we have this swing point here, which is a high, we can still always assume with price action say we'll continue the overall downtrend, which is why taking sell in this retracement I always catch the next impulsive move. You understand? So it's still a valid sell same way, but we still have to just be careful within there, isn't it? But it is what it is. You're the London shaky in a real life. Well, we can't say shaky because last time it gave me a nice buy, a nice sell on GJ. And we eat a piece of food, so we can't really say, oh, it's shaky, isn't it? But yeah, dog, I feel my call it in my father and just know, so yo, try to set my phone for alarm 7:30. And then say go on from this one. That is it in my father. We link them on. Big up 5 people in the stream. Bless up on yourself. I understand. So just do your right thing. I'm out. I'm out.